The planning and control of all production processes present production manager Smith with ever greater challenges. The individual processes are not coordinated, and he finds it difficult to keep an eye on the big picture. An optimal production process is hardly possible anymore, and when Mr. Smith is absent, there are uncertainties and more questions. A software solution for planning and control provides a remedy. The agile Hummingbird system networks machines, CAM programming, and workstations in production with production planning to enable reliable process control and transparency in real time. Process and capacity planning is carried out digitally in the Hummingbird system. Optionally, an ERP system can be connected, from which new orders are transferred to the Hummingbird system. All relevant data, such as programs and technical drawings, are stored in Hummingbird and can be accessed paperless by employees via a digital user interface. Mr. Smith can plan his production tasks precisely and interactively, read the available capacity accurately, and schedule new tasks accordingly. A clear planning board shows all production orders so that he can easily plan them and efficiently control the processing by his employees. Planned jobs are assigned to the corresponding employees, work areas, or machines in team management. Informed about new orders and report active processing or completion directly in Hummingbird. This means that all information is always available in real time. All information is available to employees at their workstations. The direct exchange of information within the Hummingbird system ensures short communication channels. Problems can be reported immediately in the integrated problem management system and resolved quickly. All areas of production are perfectly networked with each other, which means that processes are planned effectively and controlled without any queries. For Mr. Smith, the system is a great relief that also increases effectiveness and transparency in the company. With the modular Hummingbird system, getting started with digitalized production is child's play. Once the module for planning and control has been introduced, other modules such as tool logistics, machine data acquisition, or the CAM-CNC connection can be seamlessly integrated. This means that Mr. Smith can continue to rely on the Hummingbird system in his production in the future.